Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning. This is Chris. How you guys doing out there? All right, so today we are headed up to Marietta. Should be a good one. Should be a really good one. The person I'm doing the work for, I've done previous work for before. His name is Michael. Done some work for him. Done some work for his father-in-law. So. We've known each other a while, so it's always fun when you can work with people that you like and you enjoy their company. We're passing through downtown Atlanta right now. Let me give you guys a shot of that. We're passing through downtown Atlanta, and we are headed up north, basically, to work on a fence. I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you a more in-depth day-to-day. So here we go.
Dancing that you need.
All right, well, what's going on, guys? All right, so we are here at our destination, and we're about to begin working. All right, see you guys soon. All right, guys, so we are here at the site. Basically, we got our post in, and we got our string lines up, and we're gonna start framing this out. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, what's going on, guys? All right, so basically we got some of it framed up. It's starting to get chilly, and based on how it is right now, we're trying to get this thing done before sunset, or as much as we can get before sunset. When it's colder, it's harder to work, but this is what we got so far. Yeah, we're gonna start putting on some pickets. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and hopefully you guys enjoy the show.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're screwing in these pickets. We're not nailing them in. Screws are better, they just take a little bit longer.
Let's begin now.
Alright, guys, so we are here on actually day number 2, and actually day number 3. It rained, so we're here on day number 3, and we got most of it done. As you can see, this is kind of what it looks like. We just have a little bit left to do. We just have to do this little section right here to join back on here, and that'll be a wrap. So not gonna bore you with that stuff. I just wanted you guys to see the overall picture of how it looks, and yeah, man, it gives extreme privacy. As you can see, when I stand next to it, basically, it's right above my head, and I'm about six feet myself. So it accomplishes what it's meant to accomplish, hope you guys like what you see so far. It was just a quick video. Don't forget to reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, or you can give us a call if you want something like this. All right, guys, take care.
HTG Fencing.